and I may be wrong, please correct me, in that culture, parang ang trato sa female ay hindi kapareho ng kultura dito. So, let's get out of the ICU ward. Let's talk about your relationship with others, and especially with the doctors and the people, and the orderlies and the people and the staff. Na-experience mo na ba yung kakaibang trato sa'yo o hindi naman?
Actually, sir, privileged naman ako. Kasi yung bago ako nagpunta ng Middle East, my mindset is very nakakatakot yung Middle East or sa ibang bansa. Pero when I'm there, I found na hindi naman pala ganun. So, they are starting to be an open country na.
Oh, yes.
So for
That's
us, lalo na as healthcare, we can go there without abaya, the one we're wearing. So, then, in the hospital setup, syempre, may rules ang hospital. So, guarded din kami.
Guarded.
So, parang, hindi kami natatakot na may mangyari. So, for me, in the span of the year that I am there, hindi ako nakaranas, sir, ng parang minamaliit ka. Kasi para sa kanila, yung mga babae parang medyo holy eh. Ganun yung tingin nila.
Oh, I see.
So, mas safe ka pag babae ka kaysa sa lalaki ka.
And you also entered at a time nung nag-o-open up na sila.
Yes po.